What we are looking at right now is, once again, in my opinion, always do your research, a phenomenal generation buying opportunity if you believe in the SoFi management team. I do, and today I bought some more SoFi shares. Woohoo! Happy Thursday! If you've been following me along for a very while now, I should say nearly every day for the last couple months, I have been buying this dip on SoFi. And today we ended up dipping. I did not catch the dip entirely, but I did buy below 18 bucks, $17.91, I believe is what I got a couple shares on. Anthony Noto, the boss himself, last week, a little over a week ago, came out with $1 million buy. $1 million of his own money. Okay, Anthony Noto is not, I mean, I say this very lightly. Hopefully the guy, if he sees this video, doesn't take it very disrespectfully. The guy has, just like any other super wealthy individual, all their money in assets. He owns, I believe, probably about $200 million worth of SoFi. 11.6 million shares total of SoFi. But he took his own cash, which was $1 million, and he bought shares at this level. So, is he going to buy again? That is what a lot of people are probably wondering. Do I believe he will be buying again? I do. Do I believe that SoFi is a generational buying opportunity? I do. And that is why I continue to add bonus shares to my account. And because it's a logical terminology for me. I don't really want to spend all this video really on SoFi itself. I have acquired a lot of SoFi viewers. This YouTube channel is not supposed to be just dedicated to SoFi, but I mean, I am a raging SoFi bull. I am looking to hold SoFi as long as the management team does not change course of what my investing strategy is. I'm looking to hold SoFi for the next decade, okay? Now, does that mean that I may not take some chips off the table in the next couple of years? No. However, for the next decade, this management team is laying out the foundation of becoming a banking giant. In 2 days, this Saturday, I'm going to be posting a very fun video talking about SoFi versus PayPal, because there was a point in time where SoFi was very questionable about being bought out by a bigger bank. And SoFi right now has a market cap around $23 billion. PayPal's market cap is around 40. And there's a lot of rumor. Hold on one second. Morning tea cheers, by the way. Hold on. 10:46 a.m. My sinuses are killing me. Peppermint tea. Please do your bidding. Please unclog my sinuses. So PayPal right now is getting a lot of talk and rumors about being bought out as a company. And for someone else to come along and buy PayPal, you're going to have to buy at a premium. $70-80 billion maybe. The market cap right now on PayPal is 40 something bill. So, firstly and foremost, PayPal, they are a profitable company year over year. The company grew 4% year over year. Yeah, they're not like SoFi that is growing substantially year over year, but the company is profitable. Venmo is profitable. PayPal is profitable. I mean, the company is a very profitable company. The point being is that, can a big bank or someone else buy out SoFi and maybe take SoFi private, maybe do a merger? Maybe just buy SoFi entirely and do a hostile takeover? Well, at 23 billion of a market cap for SoFi, I really want to give my perspective for this Saturday. So I'm not going to go too much into detail now, but this Saturday I'll be uploading that video. So if you do enjoy my content, definitely smash the like button and subscribe, which is entirely free. And stay tuned for that video in 2 days, okay? Otherwise, right now, the overall market is very, very uncertain. So we did get some data this morning, which once again came in with a lot of uncertainty. So initial jobless claims came in a little bit below expectations, but it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense because we got, like, last week, we got a really bad jobs report, and then now we're getting a different report, and it's like, hey, the CPI report that we got, okay, 2.4%, that came in line, but this is not factoring in oil, this is not factoring in everything. We're going to be getting GDP tomorrow, plus PCE, which is another inflation report as well. Once again, this is the month prior. A lot of people are just left questioning things. And I mean, should you question things? You should. I question things all the time. Not to mention, we have oil spiking up higher. We got the VIX today spiking. Once again, my philosophy is very simple. If the VIX is moving higher, you got to be buying, okay? If the VIX is moving higher, you got to be buying. Okay, and I did my buying of shares today. Obviously bought some more SoFi. Adobe is going to be after hours today. This is going to be really big. I'm looking to really add shares if Adobe goes down to Chinatown. If Adobe honestly goes up, hey, my strategy for Adobe, I'm looking at a price target well over 500 easily throughout like the next year. And if you really want to hear my bull case, it's honestly like low 600s. I have my reason. I've ran price projections, and there is nothing wrong with this company. Okay, AI is going to help this company grow even more. So many people are saying that these companies, Adobe, Salesforce, Microsoft, even Palantir, which is pretty funny because Palantir is fitting into SaaS apocalypse, even though Palantir is the AI company, okay? Like, it doesn't make sense. But Palantir is selling off because people are saying, hey, can they sustain 70% of growth rates here, right? We'll see. However, if Adobe sells off today, I will be listening to the conference calls. I'm not going to be... This YouTube channel, by the way, is fairly new. I have not advertised this YouTube channel with my other YouTube channels. I'm actually Nightmare RH on YouTube. My main YouTube channel, which is a gaming channel, believe it or not. Even though life is one big video game, so is the stock market, right? My main YouTube channel has over 200,000 subscribers. Some of my gaming viewers actually found this channel, but I'm looking to grow this channel organically for the next couple months, probably. Maybe advertise this channel on my birthday. But regardless, if you are watching me here, you probably have some type of position in maybe SoFi, maybe SaaS, maybe a semi, AMD, maybe Nvidia. Maybe Meta too for one of the Mag 6s. Used to be Mag 7. Some of them got booted out. But I mean, overall, the market right now is still just so volatile. And I'm doing a account challenge on YouTube. Hold on, T-cheers. And somebody asked me the other day through a comment on one of my videos. This person said, why just not transfer over all the money to, do the account challenge? Because I have certain rules that I'm doing for motivational purposes and education purposes on YouTube. And the main thing about it is called discipline. When you are a well-rounded investor or trader, you can't go all in just when uncertainty starts. We don't know how long this BS is going to last for. I really do hope and pray that it gets wrapped up very quickly in the Middle East. I am a veteran, United States Marine Corps Afghan vet. I did 15 years in the United States Marine Corps. I love my country. I'm a patriot to my country. Do I like what is happening in the Middle East? I am very much a result-orientated kind of guy. The results from Afghanistan for 20 years were absolutely terrible. The results from Vietnam were terrible. The results, even from the Iraq war, was terrible. So if this is going to be wrapped up relatively quickly with no service members literally walking around for no reason being blown up, then it's definitely one of those hurdles that you just got to go ahead and understand that the Trump administration does. I was not in the market during Trump 1.0, but I got into the market during Rona, and it was a roller coaster. Every person that I've talked to that was in the market from 2017 and forward, they said that the Trump administration is a volatility roller coaster. You're going to be going up, 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 up like crazy, and then you're going to be going down, 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 down to Chinatown. So what do you do in that situation? If you're a long-term investor, you buy the fear, you buy the dip, you pick up discounted shares like I am for SoFi, I am for Adobe. I have a great position at AMD built. Hood, I'm really holding off on buying hard on Hood because Bitcoin is probably going to affect Hood for the next maybe couple quarters. And if that happens, hey, Hood maybe is going lower. So, expect volatility, unfortunately, in the market really for like maybe well past this next earnings. Maybe we really don't start seeing a rally until like maybe during like late summer, right before midterms. But I really do hope the stuff in the Middle East comes to a halt very quickly and we get out of this entire war like let's just go back to printing dollars, right? But hey, Donald Trump has stated that by the end of his presidency, the stock market is going to double, maybe triple. That is a very bold statement, but the guy measures his level of success by stock market gains. It's midterms this year. If you think the Republican Party is going to let the stock market free fall, yeah, well, I mean, if that's the case, well, I guess the Republican Party wants to be slaughtered then, right? This stuff hopefully is going to be wrapped up relatively soon. But until then, everyone, I'm just going to be nibbling on in, and we really got to wait for Adobe to really see. I'm not going to be posting a video later. I'll be posting a video tomorrow talking about Adobe. In the future, though, on this YouTube channel, I will probably be doing live streaming events for earnings calls, which would be really cool. But right now, this YouTube channel is still relatively new. Like I said, I'm kind of really busy with a lot of other obligations, too. So let me know in some comments below if you want to comment. If you are buying the dip, especially if you are a SoFi shareholder. If you are an Adobe shareholder, let me know down below. Otherwise, I mean, all my research from Adobe, it's a phenomenal company, and I use Adobe products all the time. Salesforce, on a closing note here, this video is relatively quicker today. Salesforce has actually gone up from their earnings, and Salesforce crushed earnings. They came out with really good earnings. So Salesforce is holding its gains, trending back up to the 50-day moving average. If Adobe can do the same thing, we're good. Oracle is trying to hold its gains from earnings. Hopefully it does. And yeah, we just really got to wait to see what happens. All right, everyone, take it easy. Have a great day, and later.